If this is the premise of the movie, blessed are the weird people, poets, misfits, writers, mystics, painters, troubadours, for they teach us to see the world through different eyes. Jacob Notby. What would be the title? Presenting the default guy.
कहते हैं हिंदुस्तान में आबादी बढ़ रही है साहब, पर मुझे क्या फर्क पड़ता है। मुझे तो अपनी बढ़ती हुई किताबों की आबादी देखकर घबराहट होती है। अभी कुछ रोज पहले एक टॉक सुन रहा था मैं, उसमें वो इंसान इसको सेल्फ हेल्प कहता है और लगता है कि सच ही कहता है, क्योंकि ये अब सेल्फ हेल्प बनती जा रही है मेरे लिए। मैं सेल्फ हेल्प समझ के खरीदता हूं, पढ़ता तो हूं नहीं, ये सेल्फ हेल्प बनती जाती है। यही कहीं ना कहीं इंसान की व्यथा भी बनती जा रही है। बहुत कुछ पाना चाहता है, देश के हिसाब से नहीं चलता। देश छोटा है, पर इतना कुछ हासिल करना चाहता है जो देश में समा ही नहीं पाएगा। एक कारण घुटन का तो ये भी है कि स्पेस कम है साहब, सामान ज्यादा खरीद लिया है अपना। पर दूसरे की मैं क्या कहूं, मैं तो खुद ही सेल्फ हेल्प बन के रह गया हूं।
There is this temple by the Ganges where people come and pray to the goddess. Today, it is in a state of lockdown, but I surely believe the goddess watches over all of us. Many a times when I am confronted with fear, the fear that life offers every moment, every day, I come to the river, spend some time with it, feel comforted. The river speaks to me in an altogether different dimension. It energizes me, and so I keep coming back to the river. The river also teaches me that everything is changing, and so one should not succumb as much to the fear, but start to live. Because if you don't live, you reject the grandeur called life. And life is always waiting for you with full embrace. All you need to do is follow her as she opens the gates to success for you. Today morning, I spent some time again with the river in the hope, in the wake that it shall embrace me and allow me to let me be me. For what is life but just a saga of sorts? And if we found one or two refuges, either in our homes or by the river, what could be so bad? The river nourishes us. Life calls out for us. All we need to do is pay heed.
In this journey called life, this man's work inspires me as it allows me to work and let the work speak for itself. I gather that this man didn't get fame in his life, but his work still lives on, and that inspires me to keep working, for the light of the day shall someday shine on you. Move on, my friend. Wake up to the glory called life and move ahead with all the rhythms that it contains. Thank you, Van Gogh. Thank you, life.
How many roads must a man walk down before you call him a man? And how many seas must a white dove sail before she ends up in sand? The answer, my friend, is blowing in the wind. The answer is blowing in the wind. La 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 la. Do 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 do.